Hi, I am a trainer of Uplatz. Today I am going to cover the topic Introduction to SAP S/4HANA Finance. So, what is the today's agenda? So, what is SAP S/4HANA? Evolution in SAP S/4HANA, overview of SAP S/4HANA Finance, key features and the components, architecture and the data model, deployment option, SAP Fiori in finance, business benefits, and the final topic is summary. So what is SAP S/4HANA? So SAP S/4HANA is a next generation ERP which is called the Enterprise Resource Planning Suite built on the in-memory SAP S/4HANA database. So it helps the business to manage all the core applications in a real-time basis such as finance, procurement, sales, manufacturing, supply chain, and many more. So now I'm coming to the evolution of SAP ERP. So the first one is SAP R1, which is called as real-time 1. Then SAP R2, which is called as real-time 2. Then comes SAP R3, which is called real-time 3. Then ECC, and the final one is the SAP S4HANA. The beginning of SAP R1, which is called as real-time 1, came into the market in the year of 1972 with the help of 5 former IBM engineers in Germany. So SAP R1 was the first ERP system, a mainframe-based financial accounting system, which was taking care only the SAP financial accounting, and it is a single-tier system. Now, I'm coming to the SAP R2, which is called as real-time 2, which came in the year of 1979, and it is introduced as a mainframe-based two-tier system, which covered the financial accounting, logistic, manufacturing all together. So it is also allowed the real-time processing for the enterprise. So it is very popular that time in the large German corporation at that point of time. So now I'm coming to the SAP R3, which is naming as Real-Time 3, and it came into this in the year of 1992. The major breakthrough here, the client-server architecture is a three-tier architecture, where there was a three layers. So the first layer is called as database layer, the second layer is called as application layer, and the third layer is called as the presentation layer. So what are the modules which are included in this particular R3 system? Financial accounting, controlling, sales and distribution, material management, production planning, human resources. So this enables the integration across all the departments in a real-time basis, and it maintains the scalability. So it is a GUI, graphical user-based interface, which replaces the terminal-based interaction. Now I'm coming to SAP ERP 2004, or which is called as ECC, Enterprise Central Component. So SAP rebranded R3 as a ERP Central Component, ECC, Enterprise Central Component, continued a modular approach and enhanced workflow and the reporting and the process integration. This module integrated with industry-specific solutions, which is also called as IS solutions, supported web application and more flexible deployment options. Now I'm coming to SAP S/4HANA, which came into the picture in the year of 2015 onwards, and which is called the next generation ERP built on SAP HANA in-memory database. So the real-time analytics, simplified data model, and the faster transaction all can happen in the SAP S/4HANA. So the Fiori UX is the modern role-based user experience model, which was newly introduced in the SAP S/4HANA. So this module simplified and optimized for digital business, including that S4HANA Finance, S4HANA Manufacturing, S4HANA Supply Chains. So which are available in the cloud, on-premise, and hybrid environment. All these three environments, we are finding this S4HANA Finance, S4HANA Manufacturing, as well the S4HANA Supply Chain. Now I'm coming to what is SAP S4HANA Finance. So SAP S4HANA Finance, formerly we are calling as a simple finance, is a financial management component of SAP S4HANA. It is designed to streamline the finance processes, provide a real-time insight, and simplify the reporting using the S4HANA memory database. It also integrates all the financial operation in a company into a single source of truth. It is also eliminating the redundancies and enabling the faster decision-making process. So that is the reason S4HANA Finance is much more popular into the market. Now I'm coming to the key innovations of SAP S4HANA. So that the first one is the universal journal, which the technical name is called as SEDOCA. The second one is called as real-time processing. The third one is the soft close and the first close. And the fourth and final one is integrated planning and the profitability analysis. These all are the key innovations comes in the S4HANA Finance. So now the core components in SAP S4HANA Finance. The first one is called the general ledger accounting. The second one is the accounts payable, which is dealing with the vendor accounts. The third one is called as accounts receivable, which is dealing with the customer accounts. Then the asset accounting, which is dealing with the organization's assets. Then coming to the controlling and the treasury and cash management. These all are the core components of SAP S4HANA Finance. Now, I'm coming to the Universal Journal. The Universal Journal, which is the central ledger table of SAP S4HANA Finance. It is also technically called as the SEDOCA table, which combines all the financial and the controlling data into a single line item table. This also includes that financial accounting. Within the financial accounting, we are getting the general ledger accounts, receivable and payables, and asset accounting. Into the controlling, we are getting the cost centers, internal orders, profit center, and profitability analysis. And in the material ledger, we are getting the inventory valuation and material movement. Into the profitability analysis, which is also called as OPA, the revenue and cost tracking, which is coming. So in short, we can trailing that instead of having multiple tables in FI, CO, ML, etc. So which we were using in SAP ECC and the other models R1, R2, and R3, all transactional financial data now resides in one table which is called as SEDOCA table. So which is called the single source of truth in SAP S4HANA. Now I'm coming to simplified data model. So why it is called the simplified data model? Because it removed the index and aggregate tables. It is using only a few tables like that SEDOCA tables. Then embedded analytics. It is using the analytical way and it represents the data in a proper way in the graphical structures. And the final one is called the better performance, for which the most of the organizations are preferring to use the S4HANA model. Now I'm coming to the deployment options. So what are the deployment options that there in SAP S4HANA? The first one is on-premise, which is using the graphical user interface. Then private cloud and public cloud, which is based on the Fiori UX app, and the hybrid one. Now, I'm coming to SAP Fiori in Finance. What is the SAP Fiori? Which is a role-based app. So this role-based app delivers only the features, data, and activities relevant to a specific user role. If a finance manager using the finance system, he or she can use only or check the finance styles only. If a sales manager or the salesperson using the sales data, so he or she can see only the sales style. So likewise, the purchaser and the HR manager also can see the relevant tiles only. So what is the interactive dashboard in the Fiori? So an interactive dashboard, which is also called a visual and real-time reporting interface that allows the user to view and explore and analyze the data in that manner, so that it goes beyond the statics reports by enabling the user to interact in a way that can be showing in the chart, graphs, KPI, and all this manner. So it can be a very easier to understand the entire profitability margin, also the profitability of an organization. Now I'm coming to the integration with the other module with SAP S4HANA. So finance. So SAP S4HANA Finance is having the integration with the other modules like material management, sales and distribution, production planning, and the HS systems like success factors and the Ariba. And also here this embedded analytics and the reporting is an added benefit in SAP S4HANA, which can be represented in a graphical way. Now I'm coming to the business benefits. Why S4HANA is being used, or S4HANA Finance is being used by the organization? Because this is a faster financial close, real-time reporting can be possible, and the improved user experience. Altogether, it is added a major benefit to the business. So that is the reason most of the organizations or companies are using the S4HANA system. So the migration options. So what is the migrations option in SAP S4HANA? The system conversion is there. The new implementation is possible through this using the methods like greenfield, brownfield. Then it is coming to the selective data transition. Now I'm coming to the summary. So that it is SAP S4HANA Finance is a simplified finance, real-time data, and it is adding the value to the business. So altogether, so that is the reason for using the S4HANA Finance. Thank you.